Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript and CSS tips and tricks tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will show you how to change the background color table row when mouse over dynamically from a user selected colors from the drop down list. For that I am using a CSS and JavaScript code. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the first name, last name, we got the table rows. Now notice here when I mouse over, the table headers is not changing and the table row colors also is not changing because I have not selected any color. Now if I select yellow, notice here I got the yellow color. Now if I select red, here I got the red color. If I select pink, here I got the pink. If I select blue, here I got the blue. For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder, which is the JavaScript tutorials, and here it is. Our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder I will add one new HTML file called table rows color change when more color change.html. And here we got the newly created HTML file is open. Let me minimize this VS Explorer as well as welcome page. Now let's write the coding part. First let's add the doc type HTML. After that I'm closing the HTML tag. Then header section. Below the header section I'm adding the body element. Now inside this body I'm adding one center element. Inside the center element I'm adding h1. Dynamically change the table row color when mouse over h1, this is the h1, and h2 JavaScript and CSS tips and tricks tutorial, tips and tricks. Then I am adding horizontal line. Now here dynamically change the table row when mouse over with a drop down selected color. After the horizontal line I am adding a drop down list, which is the select color. First let's add the label select color as capital will make it. Then I am defining select option element. Select, inside the select I am adding options. I am adding first color. First one is the default label for select color, and this option I am making disable, so user can't select, value is empty for this select color. Selected, disabled. And after that let's add the ID of the select color is ID is equals to color drop down. Then let's add the option, another option called let's add the red color. You can give any colors here to your favorite colors. Red color, make sure R is red color, small letters, because we are getting the colors from this value. Option value is equals to I am adding blue color. Let's copy this one. 5 colors I am adding for this demo: red, blue, green, this is green, and this is yellow. I am adding yellow, y is small, yellow, and the last one is the pink I am adding. Let's add the pink. Now after that, after the below select option element I am adding another horizontal line. Now here I'm creating one table, I'm defining one table, table head, I'm closing the table head, just close this one, table head, and this one table row, table head. Let's add the first name. Just for the demo purpose, I'm adding first name and last name. 2 columns only I'm adding first name and last name. Then let's create the T body. The body contains table data. Again, we require the rows TD, and the first name is the Charan. Let's add my name is Charan, and TD is my last name is a. Let's add the Kamredi. And define some more. TD is Lalita, D, last name is a D, James, and this is TD. Now here I need to add one. Here TD, here I am adding James. Let's close the TR. James Smith, the last name is a Smith, and let's add one more row, 2 more rows here. This has Phil, Mark, and this is the Vijay, and last name is a Kumar. That's it. We have done the designing part. Up to now we have finished just the drop down list and the table. Now below the center or after the body, let's add the below the center only. I'm adding the script in the body section only. Let's add the script tag. Inside the script, let's define constant color drop down. Color drop down is equals to document dot get element by ID. The colors we are getting from dynamic colors we are getting from this select option element, which is a drop down list. So let's copy that one between double quotes. I'm adding the ID of this select element. Then constant table rows. We require to change the table rows. We require the rows here. Document.query selector all. Query selector all is I want to change only the TDs, table data only, not the column headers, only the data. So in the T body we have it, in the table we have a T body. Inside this T body I am adding the T row. So here we require selectors between double quotes. I am adding table. Inside this table we have a child element called T body, another child element TR. So now color drop down dot add event listener. Now this is the event listener. Change comma function. Now what we have to do, the selector color from the drop down list, the value we are getting from the drop down list. So constant selected, let's define one variable, selected color is equals to this dot value. The value I'm getting, what the values, these values I want to apply for the TR inside this T body of the table. Then here table rows dot for each, I'm counting the table rows. I'm getting all the table rows. Function row, let's add the row. Function here, the curly brackets function row. Let's close this one. These are the main functions now. This is for this function and this is for this function. And if condition, if not row dot parent element dot matches t head. Now I want to change if the selected element if not, so I am adding the default background color only. It's not the selected color, so I want to show the default background color. Background color is equals to white. That's it. Now I want to display the selected color. So here table rows dot for each function row, event listener, row dot add event listener. My aim is when I mouse hover on the rows of the table, I want to change the selected color. For that event I am adding that application, that functionality I am adding here. So mouse over function, let's define constant selected color is equals to color drop down what, which is the ID of the this color drop down. See, ID of the select element, color drop down, value. If not row dot, same thing I'm adding here. If not row dot parent element dot matches t head, between double quotes I'm adding t head. Now this dot style dot background color is equals to the selected color. What is the selected color? This is a constant value, is the selected color variable I'm getting here. Then we need to close this one. This is a function, this is this bar, this is this bar. Again row dot add event listener, and first thing here, the mouse over here, mouse out, I want to display the default color. What is the default color? Which is white color. So default color I want to show. So mouse out is the function name, is a function, and here let's close this main functions. This is the main function of this, this is the main function of this. If not row dot parent element matches between double quote between t head only, t head. Now let's add the style. This is the selected color. Yeah, this color we are getting. Let's make it meaningful. This dot style dot background color is equals to background color white. I'm changing. If mouse out from that row, I want to change the white background color, and that's it. Mouse over and mouse out only I want to display. So when page loads, it displays white color. Let's add the we'll change the Let's leave it white only. Here we will, in CSS will change some different color when page loads. So we require a style attribute, style element. In the styles we need to add in the header section. We have a table. First let's add the table border collapse is equals to collapse. Then main thing, table header. I don't want to apply the functionality when I mouse over on the table header, which is the first name and last name. This is the table header. No, I don't want to color. So background color is 1 pixel, solid black only. And here I'm adding some table TDs, padding 8 pixel, padding 8 pixels padding for the TDs. And border, let's add the border is 1 pixel solid black color. I'm adding black color. Text align center, I want to display text the center. Font size large. Font family also I will add some. Let's add the Times New Roman. Now the default color also I'm adding table tr not first child. First child is what? This is the table of the first child is the table header. First child. Background color white only. Let's add some orange color, and row color on Mouseover. I don't want to that's it. I don't want to change anything here. Table row not first child, background color orange. Table rows, table ID. This is the default color, default row color when page loads. Background color ID. Okay, let's save this file. Save. We'll check how it looks. If it's not, we'll change again. If it's not looking good, we'll change again the styles. And the JavaScript, it's very simple. This events, change event, mouse over and mouse out. When mouse over, the selected color from the drop down. When mouse out, I want to display the white color. Let's save this file. First, we'll check the final output of our application. For that, we need to open the file explorer. Let's open that one. The folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is a JavaScript-tutorials, and the file name is what is the file name here? Table rows color change. Let's check that one. Table rows. Where is the T here? Table rows color change. Let's open that one. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the default color. First notice it's orange color I have added. It's applied to the T body. Orange. Let's put this white only. Save. Now we'll check. I don't require this thing. This is unnecessary coding. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output again. I'm reloading the browser. And here we got the final output of our application. This TR and TH. Let's add the TH. Table headers is background color. I'm adding. Let's add the multiple colors. Background color. Linear gradient to right. purple, violet, black, green, and color of the text of the white. Yeah, table headers. Let's save this file. Now we'll check the final output again. I'm reloading the browser, and here we got the final output of our application. Notice the first name, last name, we got the table rows. Now notice here, when I mouse over, the table headers is not changing, and the table row colors also is not changing because I have not selected any color. Now if I select yellow, notice here I got the yellow color. Now if I select red, here I got the red color. If I select pink, here I got the pink. If I select blue, here I got the blue. Now when I select green, here we got the green. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained dynamically change the table row color when mouse hover with a drop down selected color using JavaScript and CSS. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.